guys, so since we're doing this video as a year in review of owning the Tesla, I feel obligated to talk about maintenance because that's something that comes up a lot with EVs. So here's the maintenance that I've had to do in the last year. I've probably changed my windshield wiper fluid maybe 3 or 4 times, just filled it up because, you know, you get dirty windshield, you clean your windshield with the windshield wiper fluid, you got to change that. And other than that, I think that's it. I think that's all I've done the last year. You know, every car is going to have to change brake pads, but with a Tesla, you can get a lot more life out of your brake pads because you put a lot less work on your brake pads. The reason for that is that you have regenerative braking with your Tesla. So when you're driving, just by virtue of taking your foot off the accelerator, when you have the regen brakes set up, it will already start decelerating the car, meaning you're recharging the battery while decelerating, rather than actually having to brake every time you want to decelerate. So I put a lot less wear on my brake pads, and basically I'm sure they have a lot more life in them. Tesla does recommend doing like a sort of a general maintenance visit when you're at 25,000 miles, so I'll probably do that. But as it stands right now, basically just windshield wiper fluid is the only thing I've ever had to do with the car. We did have a flat once. You know, I don't think that has really anything to do with the car itself, but we had a flat. I had roadside assistance with Progressive. It's actually really late at night. Had the car get towed to a place that specializes in tires that was open at like 11 o'clock at night. They patched the tire in whole 15 minutes, and I think it cost $30. That was pretty incredible. So shout out to that place. And that's it. That's all I had for maintenance. It's really just windshield wiper fluid, patching the tire, and other than that, smooth sailing.